today's video, we will show you how to add extra PDF to the document template. Leon allows to attach an extra PDF to the existing documents. In this particular case, we want to attach a document called Terms and Conditions to the document PAX Trip Sheet. In order to do that, go to the Admin panel, section Documents Manager. Select a document from the list and edit it. In the upper right corner in the tab Files, upload the file from your laptop. In this case, it's the PDF T's and C's. Then go to the tab Body on the upper left corner and scroll down, and then enter this line of the code. Remember that this PDF name in the code has to be exactly the same as the uploaded one. You can click Preview to check if the extra file got uploaded properly. So this is the main PAX information trip sheet. But if you scroll down, the next pages are Terms and Conditions, which we just uploaded. Now you need to save changes. And if you go back to the Ops module and right-click with a mouse, by selecting PAX Trip Sheet, Leon will show that the attached extra PDF is ready to be sent out along with the main document.